Hello everybody, this is Ola Wikander and I'm currently standing here with a pair of scissors. Why am I holding a pair of scissors? The answer to that shall soon be revealed. The answer is that I am now to unbox my author's copies of the just published omnibus volume of my fantastic fiction series, Morning Star, Son of Dawn, Stjärnan, gryningens. It's in Swedish, the book is, that is, but I'm doing this in English for some reason. The book contains all three volumes of the series. The first one, Serafers, drömmar, Dreams of the Seraphim. The second one, the 13th Function, den trettonde funktionen in Swedish. And finally, the brand new third one, den Store Guden Slump, the Great God Chance, which is the most weird, metafictional, and perhaps literary of the bunch. So let's open this up and see how it looks, shall we? Here I go. It's sealed shut, I can tell you. Here we go, here we go. Look, will you look at that? Will you look at that? Here we are. 1, 2, 3. And it's huge. Look at it, look at it. Look at it. 968 pages, 3 volumes, 3 novels in 1 volume, that is. 17 years of work, 17 years of work of fiery angels of war, metafictionality, and inversions of time, astrology, what have you. If you can read Swedish, please do pick it up. I put a lot of work into this, and now it's finished. I can't believe it. So, Stjärnan, gryningens. Thank you.